Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here, and usually I'm very upbeat and very bubbly, but it has been a very tough week for me, for the nation, for our country, for our people. And if you don't know, I'm talking about the Black Lives Matter movement, the death of George Floyd, which I believe we are all grieving. And it's been very tough for me to come up in front of the camera and film or bring any content to you guys. So sorry for not bringing as much content as I usually do, but I'm coming to you guys today with a new video, and this video is going to be me decorating my living room for the summer. If you're interested, guys, stay tuned.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
my little summer decoration here. I decided to bring some pop of greens and some pop of pinks to bring in summer into the home. Also, the green just reminds me of outside, how the grass are just like growing, and usually in winter it's like or brown and all gone. So I decided to bring that into the house with a little bit green here and there, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. Again, if this is the very first time you are watching any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I do lifestyle videos, you know, house tours, mommy videos, things like that. If that's something that interests you, please go ahead and click on the thumbs up and the subscribe button to be part of this family. God bless you all. Bye guys.
Let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And